There we go. Oh, nice. There we go. Nice little topwater. All right, there, bug boy. Little nerd. All right. Ooh, some good length. Well, let's measure them. Eh, 15 and a half. 16. All right. Okay, we're gonna do this way then. All right, there you go, buddy. 16-inch. Oh boy. You wanted that bad boy, didn't you? Yeah, you. Yeah. That was a hit. I wasn't paying attention. Nice. Nice hit. Hey, Sam.
Hey, Dad. Sorry, calling you back.
You would never guess.
You catch something?
I literally frickin' topwater. This bass just crushed it, and I'm trying to get my hooks out right now.
Nice.
I got a 16-inch bass about 5 minutes ago. I'm at that same lake we were at in Glenwood, and then I'm going around the island we were at. Got it. He crushed this thing. So remember that island where you caught?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I started off. We went between the shore and the island, and now I started on the other side. This is a nice looking one. I don't know if he's as big as the other one, but yeah, sweet looking. Yeah, he's probably about 15-inch.
Nice.
So yeah, number two here. I don't know if you can get FaceTime.
I'm in the car right now.
Oh, okay. Anyways, I don't know how to switch it off. There it goes. Thank you. Yeah, I'm thinking this is about a 15-incher. I'm gonna take another pick. Those little guys are going crazy. It was awesome hit this one had. Oh geez Louise, I tell you. There we go. There you go, buddy. Woo! Oh, that's fun. Topwater.
All right.
So another bass on this video. Okay. Oh yeah. That's a chunk. Ooh. No, you don't get lost. That's a chunk. That is. There we go. Bass number 4 on a chatterbait this time. Oh, and he threw it. Good. No, he didn't. Yeah, he did. Yeah. I gotcha. First, don't measure you. So you're bigger. Yeah, you're 17 this time. Yep, I'm going 17. Thank you. That was nice. Nice to see. Here you go. That was beautiful.